Hello viewers, welcome to this tutorial. In this session, we want to know how to implement some kind of for loop and while loop and receiving input from the user and being able to navigate those data and write them to a file. Just imagine we have 20 more data we want to add to a file. Are we supposed to write all this thing 20 times? It's a complete waste of code, okay? And there's another reliable way we can do it. Let me try to write so it doesn't duplicate our code in case I want to write. All right, you can do this with append. It works perfectly. And have high, just because of the /n we have, it will be taking it to the next line by itself. So maybe John, everything will be taken to the next line. Okay, so check it out. So if I run this code, it's separated, okay? But if I want to receive input from the user, I can't be using this kind of things. They're really long. I have to be writing hello, hi, a long time. No, it will really be a waste of time. It will really be a long time, as I said. All right, so what we have to do is to use input from a user just to finish up all this work and put it within it. So we have a value called for, all right, and we have a while loop and say while value, we have a value 0, okay, and we say while 0 is less than 4, okay, meaning it will first start with 0, it goes to 1 and every other thing, and we say write my file dot write, and we input anything we want to input. Perhaps we want to receive input from the user, so we say user value equals, okay, user value equals input, enter anything you want. All right, enter anything you want. Then after the user enters anything he wants, then we come and say my file dot write, then we write the user value. Simple. So, and don't forget one thing, this code will run and run and run over and over again because value is still less than 4. If you've not forgotten your while loop tutorials, we spoke about while loop, we doing the increment ourselves, okay? So we say value plus equals 1. All right, it's the same as value equals value plus 1. So it picks the default value of value and adds 1 to it. All right, so that's what it actually does. So if I run this code, it gives us the opportunity to enter 4 times. So good, good, better, best. All right, and maybe continue. Okay, so it ends 4 times. Why? Because it's first 0, so 0 allows us to enter. It becomes 1. It allows us to enter. It's still less than 4. It becomes 2, so 3. So we have from 0, 1, 2, 3, which is 4 values. All right, so if you come back to this code, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Good, better, best, continue. But you know we have to bring the /n. I forgot to bring my /n. So the only thing we have to do is here bring our string value here and implement /n. And I just forgot I have to take it behind. Okay, so you know most of these mistakes you might end up meeting them, but remember to bring them behind, not in front. Or you can simply use the plus. No, I just want to prevent all errors, any other error from occurring. So the /n, okay, the plus will kind of concatenate them, add them together and bring the /n. So I don't bring the /n in front in order to leave a space before it begins. I want to begin with what I want to write, then be leaving spaces afterwards. So the next value that comes will meet the space. So if I run this code, good, better, best, continue. All right, it will kind of leave spaces for all of them. So if I run this code, this is it, good, better, best, and after that there is a last line left because I brought the /n at the back, which is good, rather than taking /n to the front. Lets it to leave space at the beginning before starting with my words. So this is how to kind of use the while loop to receive input from the user, put them to your file, and then you are perfect and you are just good to go. Okay, so just watch out for the next tutorial teaching you more advanced things and techniques and logical stuff you need to know before writing your code in the first place. So subscribe if you have not subscribed, like the videos if they are good for you, hit the bell to get more updates, and leave your comment below. And thank you for all your subscriptions, and thank you for everything you've brought us this far, everything you brought us this far, everything you've done to bring us this far. Okay, that is more reliable. That is like the if statement. So thank you for viewing, and you're always welcome.